What is going on, guys? Today I'm doing a cash collection video. I'm not going to yap much this morning because I've just been in the unit and filled up all the boxes already. I'm about to head to Best Ways to get some more stock, and then I have 11 machines to go and collect the cash from and stock up. I do need to get home for 4 o'clock because I have 2 calls with 2 students from my course, so let's go. No messing about today, guys. Okay guys, just got out of Best Way. Spent a whopping £229.64 after tax. About to head to a transport place first of all. Let's go. Guys, Nayax is down. It's a worldwide error. He's always Nayax. Nayax, if you're watching this, sort yourself out, guys. Come on, do it. Oh my goodness, my hair. So I just finished up there. I'm gonna head to a factory now. I need to hurry up though because I'm not gonna lie, I might have to push back these calls. I really hope I don't have to do that. It's 20 to 12. If I can stay consistent with these rest of these. That was my biggest site today. So hopefully I can just smash these out now. I emptied the cash from here last week. So next place I'm going to is a gas place. Let's freaking go. Okay guys, there's a little bit more cash than I was expecting in there. Gonna head to the next site, which is a care facility. I think we're on good time. It only took me 15 minutes to fill that place up, so let's go. Hey guys, so just come out there. I'm pretty sure I've done some of these cash collections last week, so maybe not too much money from this site today. Got a packet of crisps because I'm starving. Got 2 hours left and 4 sites to do, so Speedy Gonzalez is Meg right now. Let's go. Tell you what, guys, that bag is getting super heavy now with cash. So I'm going to try and get 3 more in if I can. Definitely going to get 2 more in. It's just gone nearly 2:30, so I'm pushing my luck, but let's go. It's just got to the next place. It is an office building. Let's freaking go. Okay, guys, 3 o'clock. 2 sites left. Probably like a 30-minute drive to the next one. So hopefully we're gonna do it. I don't know, I'm too optimistic, but let's go. Alright guys, here is all the cash. Let's pour it out on the mat. Oh my goodness, look at that. So I'm actually not going to count it because I've got a load of work to do. But my mum is going to count it for me because she's a star. So everybody shout out Bev, B-E-V, in the comments. Yeah, I'll come back to you when she's told me how much there is. Okay guys, mum's just finished up counting and is £605.65. So not a bad count, to be honest. Enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe if you are new. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.